Whether they like me or not, I like myself now. Thankfully, I really like myself. And by being patient and persistent and have trust and faith in God and in the future that He will put things on your path that are meant for you. And some things or some people are there for a season and some are there for life. And I found out that you don't have to scream to get what you want. It's quite the opposite. If you're quiet, the world will tell you what to do. If you really listen, just meditate a little bit, just be quiet and really absorb your surroundings and learn how to read people's energies. That's so important. And listening to your gut is also really important. And one of the things that I found out while I'm dieting a bit since 2 weeks ago is that you cannot really listen to your gut if you stuff it, especially with things that aren't healthy for you. So now that I'm eating healthy and exercising is really important, not just so that I can keep walking, but also because it clears my mind. It allows me to take my mind off of the work that I'm doing now. And sometimes it's hard for me to focus on just one thing because I'm very enthusiastic. I like many things. And fortunately, but also unfortunately, I'm really good at many things. So whenever I see an opportunity arise, I wanted to get it and jump on board and be like, yes, I can do this too. And probably better than you, so I can make it now. And then I do it. And then I found out that maybe it's not what I love. So I stopped pursuing success and money, but I start pursuing things that are good for me. Like, what is something that will help me develop my character in a way that contributes to society, contributes to my own heart, my family? What gets me excited to get up in the morning? And definitely it's not money. Sometimes it gives me a kick, a boost to make something. But that's just a split second. That target that you hit is just a 1 or 2 day happy feeling. But being able to enjoy the process is something that sticks with you for life. And I'm so excited. And this is giving me so much self-assurance because I wasn't confident at all. To give you a sneak peek, as a child, I was so insecure that I was really the odd one out. I was the only colored girl in my entire environment, basically. And I was into white people sports. I liked tennis, I liked horse riding. Like, I didn't really have many friends that aren't white. So I would, stick out. And then I have a very weird thinking pattern. I was always very ambitious. I remember that. I was always very, I liked people, but I enjoyed being in my own space as well. So that was odd. I didn't pay any attention to fashion or where people are coming from, or I didn't really care. I was just there to do my thing, and I wasn't popular at school at all. I tried to be normal once, like to have the latest fashion and laugh about silly jokes, and that definitely helped. I got friends all of a sudden, but they wanted to hang out with me and then, discuss the things that I don't want to discuss. So eventually it backfired. That popularity just made me unhappy because now I have this fake persona that I have to keep up every time I'm around people because they think I'm a certain superficial, spoiled brat that I played for so many years just to maybe make myself believe that this is the life and that maybe I should learn to love it because all these people look up to people like Paris Hilton. And I'm thinking like, well, if everybody wants to be her, then being her is probably something that makes you happy. Well, it's not. shopping doesn't make me happy. I never liked shopping. I never do. I wear the same shit every day, if you ask me. Almost. Like, look wise, yeah, I get my nails like polished, but that's all I do. I like to be natural. I like to be clean. And I like to be able to go on an adventure that's called life. Not the adventure of a shopping spree. That doesn't do anything for me, you know? I want true connections, not just in the workplace, but with the people I'm surrounding myself with. And I've become very selective and critical of the people that I want in my private space. Because if I'm not working on making my dreams come true and trying to contribute to society in a way that is meaningful and lasting, I don't want to spend my time with people that are sucking up my energy and filling my head with nonsense. I just can't. I can listen to it for so long, but if I don't have a true connection with you, you can be the most beautiful person out there, the sweetest, the funniest. I am sorry, I can't have you around me. And this might sound very very not nice, unsocial, but this is just how it is. Time is precious. If I have some free time off and I have the energy to actually go do something, I want to be with family or people that are really close to me. And there are just a few. And I'm happy with that. And I want to keep it at that. And the reason why I'm on social media as often at the couple of days is sometimes I get a little overwhelmed and emotional for the things that I'm pursuing because it's so much. And I want to do so well. I want to do my best, but I also want to enjoy every bit of every process. Every idea that comes along, I just want to take a swing and get that home run, you know? So, this was my talk. Anyway, have a good one, guys.